Food historians say Shabu Shabu originated in Japan in the 20th century. It is considered the best example of a healthy, well-balanced meal. This variant of hot pot lets you squeeze your choice of thinly sliced meat, seafood, fish balls, and vegetables into a pot until cooked, enhanced with dipping sauces. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us for a culinary adventure at Shabu Mania, South Korea's top Shabu Shabu franchise with over 88 branches and the first branch in the Philippines at the third level of SMCT Sta Mesa. From the moment diners step into Shabu Mania's spacious, well-lit, cozy dining place, they are greeted with a warm Annyeonghaseyo, the most basic and respectful way to say hello in formal Korean. Shabu Mania has an ongoing budget-friendly promotion for early lunchtime diners of only 599 pesos per person on weekdays from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. and rolls back to the regular buffet rate of 799 pesos after 3 p.m., which also applies on weekends and holidays. Additional order of Seafood Platter is priced separately at 540 pesos, good for 2 packs, and smoothies are available at reasonable prices. What sets Shabu Mania apart from other Shabu Shabu resto is their friendly instructional cards for a step-by-step do-it-yourself dish on the diner's table and at the buffet station. It is to help and guide diners on making a vegetable spring roll, a green salad, a tortilla, and a plain yogurt dessert, a fun activity to experience. It is always best to start a meal with a healthy and delicious appetizer. Gracious food attendants demonstrate the preparation of the pressed vegetable spring roll using wet rice paper called wolamsam. The rice paper is spread with some sweet, spicy sauce, layered with assorted julienne cut vegetables, and some fruit cocktails, mixed with ground pork and tender beef slices that enhance the flavors of the spring rolls. Another light meal to start with that offers nutrition, fiber, and texture is the pressed green salad. You can top your lettuce greens with slices of pressed vegetables, sunflower seeds, raisins, peanuts, and cornflakes, drizzled with yogurt dressing that best complements the green salad. Another appetizer we binge on is the tortilla. Koreans have their version of the tortilla, but the recipe at the buffet is adjusted to the Filipino taste. Serving the soft flour tortilla with taco meat, julienne cut cabbage, and corn kernels, with the addition of salsa sauce and a generous amount of melted nacho cheese to suit one's taste. isn't a grill, Korean food is typically cooked in a pot over a fire. Brought to our dining table is a Shabu Shabu set of sliced premium beef and pork, vegetables, sweet and spicy sauces, and hot pot soups of original and spicy broth. The choices of Shabu Shabu ingredients at the vegetable sales bar allow diners to pick various ingredients like fish cakes, dumplings, mushroom, small pieces of rice cakes, noodles, and assorted vegetables to mix and match preferences for the hot pot. Loading the simmering broth with slices of pork, beef, shrimp, and mixed balls builds and deepens the hot pot's unique umami flavors, making it a super tasty, healthy, complete meal on its own. We indulge in an array of authentic Korean flavors, from the fire meat beef barbecue called bulgogi, sweet and spicy chicken, plain fried chicken, shrimp chips, French fries, tteokbokki, pasta salad, salsa fusilli salad, stir-fried beef samgyeopsal, vegetable soup, and saucy curry, which is best with plain rice, making us feel and satisfied, accompanied by unlimited servings of red iced tea throughout the meal. Desserts are great meal enders. Fresh fruits are always a welcome healthy treat for a dessert. Plain and unsweetened Yowel yogurt is also the best choice. It is a healthy, satisfying, and a versatile dessert, added with sunflower seeds, raisins, cornflakes, and nuts to your personal preference. We also enjoyed the refreshing desserts on a stick of melon and purple yam flavors of Melona ice cream pop. We also save room for some bites of cakes paired with Korean Maxim coffee for the perfect finishing touch of a satisfying meal. Come with your families, friends, and office mates at Shabu Mania, where your ordinary lunchtime can be extraordinary as you indulge in their healthy food options at affordable promo rates that will not break your wallet. For reservation and birthday promo, you may contact Shabu Mania at 0917-136-8351. They are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. To all the staff of Shabu Mania, for your past and attentive service, 감사합니다. Thank you. See you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.